went to Chinatown, walked around, a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And now we're kind of walking down James Street, see if we can get a good view of the Brooklyn Bridge. I think that's the Brooklyn Bridge. We're gonna go and see if we can figure out how to get up there and walk across some of it. Found a sign showing us how to get to the bridge walkway. Like we found it, we're gonna walk up around that way. Like there's a lot of vendors here. Maybe there's an ice cream one we can stop and get before we take that long trek or after. We decided to get our ice cream after we do the bridge walk so we can really earn it. Apparently this is a pretty popular thing to do. It's a sunny Monday morning in October, and there's tons of people out today. First part of this walk has all kinds of vendors on it.
Ice water, $1. $1 for the water, $1 for the water, $1 for the water.
I'm surprised how many people are here. It's a Monday morning, October 2nd, so kids are still in school. It's not a holiday week or anything like that, but it's a beautiful day and there's just tons of people out here. I can't imagine what it would be like in the summer or on a holiday week. Brooklyn Bridge was designed by John Roebling in 1969 and completed in 1883. At the time, it was the first permanent crossing of the East River and also the longest suspension bridge in the world. Great views of the city from the bridge, especially on a beautiful day like today. The Empire State Building in the distance. Right in the center of the picture here, you'll see Tower 1 that was built on the site of the Twin Towers. It's the one with the big spire on top. What look like decorative oval structures are actually there to keep people from walking on the cables. That this bridge has been here 140 years and is still carrying traffic and pedestrians and still being maintained, an important part of the infrastructure in New York. Well, this bridge is supported by these huge cables that start at the towers on either side of the span. This big cable that you see that looks like a pipe goes all the way to the other side. And then the smaller vertical cables are what actually hold the bridge up. There's no support in this center span except for these cables. People have been putting lots of love on this mesh screening here. We're about at the halfway point. We're going to turn around soon. We're not going to do the whole bridge. We want to go back and get that ice cream I think we earned.
While at the Brooklyn Bridge, we decided to do that new cool 360 video that everybody's doing in New York now.
Time at the Brooklyn Bridge. We're on to see other sites in New York today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and we'll get out there and keep making videos.